another video. Ngayon, huwag nyo lang pa dito na sumasayaw kasi nagpapapawis siya. And, yeah, may ano tayo, mukbang tayo. Mukbang time. Yan, mukbang time tayo. Mukbang. Okay, seryoso. Mukbang na tayo.
Kaya nag-iinit ka ata.
Ha? Ano? Yeah, let's go start. First is breadstick. Dalawang breadsticks tayo. Dalawang breadstick. Hindi makita sa video yung ano. Yan. Hindi makita. Yung video sa TV. Saan yun yan? Ang dami. Ano na lang kayo sa ano? Nito. Nito sa video. Ano? Nagpalit ka lang, ba?
Naglinis. Eh, ba't ang daming pagkain?
Magmumukbang ako.
Ay, wala pa nga yung sticker mo.
Ano yun?
Nasaan na?
Ano? Naglinis ka, be?
Tayo? Ano po? Ano may pera ka?
Naligo ka o
May pera
naglinis?
ka? Nandun, sa bahay. Ikaw. Ayun.
Sabi siya.
Mukbang.
Pawis na siya.
Sobra. Ayoko na bilis ka mo. Gusto ko itong biro. Guys, magmumukbang.
Nah! Kumuha ka na lang doon.
Saan?
Karip. Magbuha ko nga dun.
Ha? Clyde, ano ba?
Baboy.
Ito na.
Mayroon ako dito.
Lahat ata ah. Kinuha mo ah.
What nga? Pero dito siya. Ayoko ng siya.
Ayoko.
Ayaw ko lang ng ano eh. Nang.
Cheese ring.
Oo. Mukbang.
Pinakain mo ba? Ito guys.
Nagsaman.
Bumili ka, Josie?
Bumigyan ako ni Clyde.
Bili na lang kayo. May pera doon. Kasi mag-guide yan. Mga school. Bili na lang kayo. Kasi may pera doon, oh.
Ito ba naman maubos eh. Mukbang daw siya.
Ayoko na. Diyan sila. Bali, tigil mo yan. Ha? Tigil mo na yun.
Ay, manood. Mukbang tayo na ko eh.
Grabe.
Guys, manood na lang kayo.
Is pumayat ta.
Pwede harap mo ka dyan sa electric pa. Nakasaan mo yan. May lamig.
October 1 pala yung update. Ang lapit na.
Huh?
O di ba October 1 sabi ko sa'yo Clyde eh. Grabe, ang lapit na. Sabi ko nga, sabi ni Clyde October 7, sabi ko nga October 1 yung update eh. Sabi ko sa'yo Clyde, di ba? October 7. Eh, nagigil mo talaga ako. Sabi ko lang yun ah.
Hindi narinig ko kasi.
Sabi ko sa'yo Clyde October 1 eh. Ang kulit mo eh.
Siya niya kasasayaw. Hindi ka pa rin naliligo.
Maliligo na
So
ako.
in my inventory, I have some of the rarest permits that you can get at the
Yummy.
And in this video, I'm going to be playing with them. I hope you enjoy this video. Let's get into it. I just joined a public server. The first permits that I'm going to be wearing are Evergreen and Everdark. Bro, that is so big. What? I forgot to mention, but every time I die, I have to change my weapons to the next chroma, so hopefully the dark side really like these weapons. They're also not mine.
Next guys, ay hello.
Hindi, ubusin ko pa yung breadstick.
Who is doing that? Ooh, interesting.
Akin na lang yung breadsticks.
Anong breadsticks?
Tingi ako. Okay na lang.
Oh, Jai.
Ano?
Dead?
Pakmana tanghalian.
Dito ako na ng breadstick.
Ang kulto.
Akin na nga.
Ito?
Kinain mo.
Oh.
I think
Yung
they
nabuksan na.
I will fix that.
Nabuksan na to.
Wait, did they fix it or not? I will have to like toggle it to make sure that I don't know.
Ano mo, pang ano mo.
Hindi na mukbang to, guys.
GG. So let me see what these look like when they're
Yummy, yummy.
Oh, okay, I guess this is what they look like. I don't know.
Baligtad oh. Nandito yung ano, kwarto.
Oh, damn. Okay, this is one girl.
Andito yung ano.
Side, maybe? Oh my gosh, I see the gun. Please, breathe. Don't you dare. I saw that first. Give it to me. Give it to me. I'm joking. Oh, I love you, Queen.
Oh, I love you, my
Thank you
friend.
so much. Okay, guys, this shot has
Bruh.
to be for Bree because she was, dead. That was for you, Bree. You're welcome.
Pwede gawa.
Hot sauce. Next
Ayan
is
na yung gusto kong gawin.
Hansel.
Ayan na yung gusto kong
Ayaw lumilipad.
Oo.
Pero may mga ibang position na ano, parang hagdan kayo.
Oo.
Hagdan.
Oh, what the?
Sabi nga na sa akin yung isa, let's do ano. Sabi na, let's do jump league. Glitch.
Why like everyone is spamming me to play Blade Ball? I don't want to play Blade Ball. If you're watching me, you know I'm so bad. But let's go. Finally, 25% chance.
Wala naman ah.
Great.
Wala naman eh.
Straight away, I'm gonna practice. You're dead.
Parang ever,
Okay.
ano yun,
These knives are actually making me
ever din yung gamit ng ano.
But this is a really big knife, so they just shot someone. Help!
Mukbang tayo guys ha.
I don't know who got a gun. I'm stressed now.
Hindi naman nanonood yung ano, cellphone.
Okay, I see it. I see it.
Si Lolo nag-mukbang din,
I'm
oh.
still laggy. Because look, my head just taking up so much.
Hala, be!
Bro, please don't kill me.
Bakit?
Okay, good. You can't get me. Look at
Hala,
my
tamaan. Doon din ako taas.
You're done. Knew it. Okay.
Tapos yung ano,
You're in the basement.
Gumagalaw.
nababawasan.
Disappointing. What is she doing? Okay, wait, let me try to get her.
Dito kami sa ano,
Bye.
one.
Thank you so much, guys. Look, I won. Totally. If you want cheap Murder Mystery 2 godlies, then check out Bloxcart.com. Bloxcart is a Roblox shop
Hindi yan
that sells
totoo eh.
cheap Murder Mystery 2 godlies. Have an automated delivery.
Mura
Sisihin
daw.
mo nga yung ano, pera. 49 pesos, 50 pesos.
Simply head over to their store,
Ano?
find an item which you
Pero babayadan mo ng totoong pera.
Oo nga, 12.
use my
Hindi ko rin ma-afford kahit ganyan lang.
order at checkout. Now let's claim our order. Just
24 pesos, di mo afford.
I've joined the bot now and it should be my items. Make sure to check out Bloxcart using the link in the description and use code Lily for 10% discount. Oh, they could be the murderer. Wow, she's living dangerously. She doesn't care. Lily, get gun. You know what? I will. Oh, her, no it. No it, Granny. Granny, let me out. Let me out.
OA.
Oh, okay.
Riyan, pag nandiyan pa ako ng spaghetti.
Let's hang out, please. Hurry.
OA guys.
Hurry. Okay, now who is the murderer?
Ay, no, yung bird.
Because I
Haha.
have to switch values, so let's get to the next one. We're going to be putting on Chroma Cookie Cane and Chroma Swirl.
Kapag namatay na
Wala,
lang,
ang dami niyang god. Good eh.
Okay.
godly pa rin itong
People
video.
dancing around me. I'm scared. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. She's got the gun. I'm not scared anymore. She can protect me. Oh,
Parang
my
si Jana, guys, oh.
She's taking the gun. She's queen. Okay, but like, who's the murderer? Let's see
Huh?
some bodies.
Ano yan?
Donkey? I don't think it's those two.
Wala mo
They're just
dyan.
vibing. I don't. Oh no! Wait, the round ended. No.
Papasok ka na naman po sa akin.
It's that girl.
Ayun guys, kasi na ako.
Maybe. I saw my little eye.